Hi and welcome to Pimp My Noodles, the only show that challenges you to use your noodles daily. Today we are going to be cooking an outrageous Frankenstein of a sandwich.
You might win some friends with this.
The packet says it's got an additional more 8% apple juice in the soup, which is good to know. That is spicy, my friends, okay? That is really spicy. Look at it go. And that's how you burn yourself on camera. It involves steak, fish sauce, chilies, all the good stuff. And it's gonna take no time at all. The flavor is hot chicken flavor ramen. And if you notice here, look here, 2 times as spicy. We're getting crazy. Ooh, that's some cheesy goodness right there. Don't worry about the bacon fat or anything like that. That's what we want. My glasses are steaming up. I'm getting that excited.
Those noodles are officially pimped.
Pimp My Noodles.
Anyone that's been in a Martin Scorsese film, they'd be offended.